Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the house from Untouchable Mama. I hope so una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well well. My people, this video, maybe some of una don see am, maybe some never even see am. As person send that come give me, now I say no. I will try, may I get time, may I take talk about this video. Una see this video, una dey watch so. Na one aboki na dey sell the liquid wey dey inside. Na only God na him know wetin he put for inside that liquid. Na see as the liquid as dem dey turn am for take away container, na so the thing just dey melt. Who know wetin aboki dey sell for people? Na im dem hold aboki, dem tell am say aboki you must drink for inside because na you dey sell am dey go. Una know all this aboki, dem dey sell anything sellable. Na God na dey save person. When dem go see aboki, dem go say aboki come bring wetin you dey sell dey go. And aboki go come tell am say this thing wey e dey sell na so e dey cure this one, na so e dey make fever no dey worry person, na so if you get body pain no come dey worry you again. Na God na im know wetin dem dey put for inside. Una see this aboki now, dem come hold am, dem say make e come test for inside. Aboki stand dey look there because this one God, but God too big o. God too big Who know how many people him don sell this one for now? Who know? Na so dem still hold one certain time. The same thing wetin he say dey sell for people wey you want, if you come drink am you no know. Hey, now you see some people go say as since him don buy this, wetin him buy since, as him just take am, all him body no come get as e be. He no know as him body come dey do. This something wey dem put for giveaway, so wey just met like this. If e enter body, you no know wetin e go do for inside your body. Jesus is Lord. Na God na dey help person. Na God na dey help person. Even the food wey you wan go buy for where you wan go buy, you no even know how dem take cook am. You no even know wetin dem put for inside. Na God dey help person o. Talk less of say this one now you just buy am, just put am for cup. E go tell you say make you dey drink am maybe 3 times. E go dey damage something for inside your body dey go. E go dey burn am dey go. Before you know it, dem go say e no sick o. E no sick, na so e pass. Na see wetin aboki dey sell dey go. And this one, I pray make dem hold am, make dem go give ogbalegbe. Whether dem go give ogbalegbe, because normally dem suppose to go give ogbalegbe. See wetin dey sell for people, innocent people, wey dem go use money take buy something. Dem no even know wetin dey for inside because of say you trust. Say I believe say wetin he say dey sell na im be that one. You no know say no be wetin he say dey sell. Na another thing na im just dey for inside. My people, mona be careful. Mona tell na people, especially those one wey just they no dey use eye take dey see aboki dey sell something dey go. Aboki go tell dem say na for leg. If you just dey drink am, the leg wey dey pay you go don finish. The waist wey dey pay you, if you just drink am 2 times 3 times, everything go just vanish. E no go dey pay you again. Oh na lie. Mona see wetin put for inside. Wetin e put for inside. This one no be something like acid wey you go just take and go burn everything burnable. Hey. Now why my people, may I put the video mona watch am for those wey never first see am, make dem still see wetin dem dey sell dey go. All this aboki wey no get head, dey too many. Mona be careful. One love. Una bye bye. Watch out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the gangaria they used to sell for us. You can see the damage it's doing to this takeaway. Take a look now. Gangaria that aboki is taking. You can see. Those of you that used to buy gangaria and drink, you see what it did to the takeaway.
You go drink this thing.
It's sitting up our kidney.
Yeah. You go drink am.
It's sitting up our kidney. Please, anytime you see aboki selling gangaria, please
You go drink this
share this video. Anytime you see aboki selling gangaria, bring them up, please.
Yeah,
See what you did?
You go drink this thing.
Let's use another one again.
You go drink this thing.
Let's use another one again. Another takeaway. You see what he's doing. You see the way he's chopping the takeaway.
You go drink this thing.
You
Yeah.
see, you see it. Please share this video anywhere. Anywhere you see
Capture
them,
his
share this
face.
video.
Capture his face. Capture his face. Capture his face.
This is the aboki that is selling it.
This
This is the aboki that is selling it.
Capture his face.
This is the aboki that is selling it. All these gangaria aboki, they are poisonous. See what I'm saying? Please, for security reasons,
If you don't do
for
this,
security reasons,
I go beat you
share this video.
I will beat you down here. You go do
Share
this
this
thing.
video, please.
You go do this thing here.
Share this video. Share it.
You go do that here.
Share it, guys.
See what the Nigeria is selling.
See what they are selling. Bring another takeaway. You pay. See what they are selling.
This thing, you go do this thing here. You go do this thing here. You go do that here.
Take a look at this. This is a new one. This is a new takeaway. This is a new takeaway. You can see the way he's chopping the takeaway. He's sitting on people's kidney. This is the aboki that is selling. Anywhere you see them, please beat them up. Beat them up.
Complain say and no one they say they no go return back my money. Say so see the hotel yo. Understand? Face and they keep Bible at least so that they know say evil fit happen for night. If you please and pray. Which one press you? I go meet the man. I can't see the hotel room. 8 rooms where I book. Normally I don't go. You go book hotel. 5K. I sleep, better sleep. The hotel makes sense. Nobody won't go for the hotel because the hotel been too makes sense. It's sweet. But this one na 7,000. Even for Lagos, I don't sleep for 7,000 hotel and it makes sense.
Seabed.
They never sleep. Oh, they never sleep.
Spring no be bed na spring.
So now,
Person go sleep for Mesa one full night.
Okay, I don't beg this man. Say, please, can you refund my money that I don't want this hotel? I asked someone to come and check hotel for me and book for me, and the person no know. Say I no fit sleep for this kind of hotel. So me, I don't consider the guy. I no like the hotel. Oga return my money for me. He say he no fit return the money. Say he go comot money for
Because you pay, you dey Lagos.
I dey Lagos. I come down. I can't see hotel.
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira hotel. My brother, for this Nigeria, 10,000 hotel, it makes sense. That one no pay me. I say, okay, man, I can't enter one room, face, sleep.
Move for man.
Understand? As I can't enter the room don't the thing don't they smell. Then go spray the room. 30 seconds, the thing don't change.
Change again.
So I say, man,
Something is wrong.
I say, move
No, the
change.
room change color.
Same move they carry.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's show you
The
where
unveiling, the unveiling.
that we are living in.
We unveil this bed in the name of God the Father.
Jesus, that this one where patient Jonathan is at, there is God.
There is God.
See hotel. See hotel. Hotel where person they pay 10,000 naira they sleep.
This is the one.
The listing like phone case in there.
See
This one pass Martino.
see wait now. See the bed. See the bed as it be. See spring.
Person dey follow.
Not be where that one pain me. Oh. Some people full everywhere. Some people go think say
Some boys don't forget pennies here. Because I don't understand. This place dey like dump site. This is a dump site.
some people go think say we dey spoil the man work.
No, na lie.
We no spoil na people health. Because if you dey here sleep 3 days, my brother, if you no sick, then no be nice, no be this hotel you sleep.
As man, you fit carry belle.
Understand? So I no if you say the man don't give me my money, I for no come experience this, I for Kuma go say. If you 10K don't big now to sleep, no come tell me say 10,000 naira too small. Huh? All the room they like that. You know, need tell me now. I don't check like 2 rooms now. See it be. Now all room they like that.